Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Thursday. Today is October 9th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. Lots of things going on for the rest of the week. It's a busy week for LGBTQ+ History Month. It's been a busy time for me. Could be a little bit busier. I need some more lecture work. You know, I've been talking about that the last several posts I've been doing. And again, shameless plug right here, gregorbaird.com. Let me come out and speak to your organization, college, university, corporation, company. We need a little love. We need a lot of love right now with everything that's going on. So, what's going on? Well, you're getting this just a few days before, but National Coming Out Day is this Saturday. And for a lot of us as a queer man, we come out more than once. I know I came out to my dad and my mother, stepfather, friends. So it's not just a one-time shot. And we have come out of the closet several times, and we need to support one another, need to have our allies with us. And a little back history of Coming Out Day. Coming Out Day was inaugurated in 1988, and it was chosen because it was the anniversary in 1987. So it was the second anniversary in 1988 of the second March on Washington for lesbian and gay rights. So there you go. So that's why it was chosen. So we celebrate that, acknowledge it every year, support one another. Now more than ever, we need lots of help for all our marginalized communities and people in general. I know a lot of us are really exhausted with everything in our government, what's going on. And being here in Chicago, let me tell you, the city's not on fire, but we're pissed about everything that's going on with the National Guard being here and the disruption of ICE. So that's what's happening. Also this weekend, excuse me, is the 27-year memorial commemoration of the murder of Matthew Shepard, in which he passes away from his injuries sustained in that hate crime on October 12th, which is Sunday. So if you get a chance, pause, reflect. We've had a lot of hate crimes that have happened in our community, black, brown communities all over. So take a moment, reflect, post, share your thoughts on all of that. I know for that murder that happened in 1998 with Matthew Shepard, I remember it well. A lot of you do. It really changed the course of my life, and a lot of things that happened that year, and a lot of things I talk about with that year in my lecture program, because I think it's very important to share our history. And what else is going on? A little bit switching of gears. The Chicago Marathon. Here in Chicago, the Chicago Marathon is this Sunday. The weather looks pretty good. I'll be up and early rooting them on. So the video that you'll get on Monday when I do all my posting and everything will be what's going on, the runners in my neighborhood. And I love the front runners that are here in Chicago. They dress and drag and are on a stage. They root them on, and it's just a great thing. And the DJ they hire, I hope he's back. He's been there a few years. Comes and plays all this great 80s and 90s dance mix while they're going by. So that's my plan. A little busy of a weekend, but that's very important. So I'm going to be rooting them on early Sunday morning along with my bestie Rob. So that's what I got for you today. How about them cookies? Sound like my grandmother. Jeez. Anyway. It's cooler out. Got the sweatshirt on. I got some Halloween stuff to do. I have some things to get before, I go to not the dollar store anymore, the $1.50 store. And I got to pick up a few things and got a program this afternoon and exercise. So, talk to you soon. Subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the kindness. Remember to check out and support Coming Out Day, National Coming Out Day, which is Saturday and Sunday for the memorial and the commemoration, and just to think about Matthew Shepard from 27 years ago. So thank you so much. Love one another. Be there for one another in solidarity. I will see you on Monday. Thanks for checking in. Take care, everybody.